A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, our institute organized this event on the auspicious occasion of Mother's Day. I would like to thank all the beautiful mothers who came here to grace this event. Today, as a manager and child, I feel blessed to have gotten this opportunity to thank my mother for everything she did and still doing for me. She is a big reason for everything I got in my life, and she is the most precious. She found her happiness in my happiness. It is the most blissful part of my life when she smiles. I guess it is true that the mother-child relationship is the most beautiful and inseparable bond we all have in this world. For me, she is the person who taught me how to stand on my own feet by holding my hand, and it was she who taught me how to learn from my mistakes. She was there for me to help selflessly without expecting anything in return except love. I can leave every luxury for my mother because I feel more relaxed and peaceful with my mother, and there is no substitute for it. Mother is the most important person in one's life, and so is me. When I reach home, it feels like nobody is in the house if my mother is not there. In my childhood, when I fell and got injured, the first word that exploded through my mouth was mummy. Mother, because I always knew that my mother was there for me in every situation, and from that time to now, there has been nothing that was changed in our relationship. Today, I am a manager of this huge, prosperous institute, and my mother is the biggest reason of my success. Everything feels easy with her because I know she is behind me. In my childhood, she stood asleep during my exam just for my health and so that I could prepare for them well. She made infinite sacrifices for my happiness and success selflessly. She is a true goddess who gave me my life, happiness, and everything I have today. Every mother did and is still making sacrifices selflessly thus. They deserve huge respect from everyone. Without a mother, our creation would be impossible. She did everything she could for me, and now when I am fully grown up, it is my turn to do everything possible to make my father happy. I believe that no one has enough potential for a mother because of the sacrifices she makes for her child. No one has the potential to do that much. There is a mother behind every child who gains success, which is why it was said that there is a woman behind every successful person, which means mother. Now at the end of my speech, I would like to grab this opportunity to thank our principal who allowed me to organize this auspicious event for our mothers and for the opportunity to thank my mother, and I hope that this will become the most memorable day for our mothers and for us too. Thank you all very much, and I wish you all a great day.